Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WalletConnect sessions using metadata and QR, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore WalletConnect sessions using metadata and QR code, begin by understanding the basic concepts. Ensure you have the WalletConnect compatible wallet installed on your device. Open your wallet application to access the connection features. Locate the WalletConnect option in your wallet interface. Click on the WalletConnect option to initiate the connection process. Next, choose the option to restore a session. You will typically see a QR code scanner appear on your screen. Now, take note of the metadata from the previous session you wish to restore. This metadata usually includes a session URL or specifics about the dApp you were connected to. If you have the session URL, copy it to your clipboard. If you need to scan a QR code, have it available for scanning. Point your device's camera at the QR code to scan it. Ensure the QR code is well aligned within the scanner frame for successful reading. Once scanned or entered, confirm the session details shown on your wallet. Carefully review the information to ensure everything is correct. After verification, approve the connection request within your wallet app. Your WalletConnect session should now be successfully restored. You can start interacting with your dApp as you did previously. If you encounter any issues, double-check the metadata for accuracy. Reconnect if necessary by repeating the previous steps. Congratulations, you've now restored your WalletConnect session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.